Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 2. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The feeling that Gandhiji and Panditji had brought to the fore before our independence is now spreading throughout the world after 40 or 50 years. It is just insanity that we continue to manufacture weapons while the available weapons alone can extinguish the entire world 50 times. It is really madness that 15 to 20 million rupees are spent every minute in the world on arms race. Even a small fraction of it can help a lot in eradicating poverty, diseases, and unemployment. Today, India is paying attention to these things. We are paying attention to human rights and human dignity. South Africa, where Gandhiji had started his first satyagraha, is still reeling under slavery. The flag of freedom has not still gone up there. It is shameful that 100 years have passed. Hundreds and thousands of freedom fighters have offered sacrifices, including their lives and the place from where the flame of freedom rose is still under slavery. We have raised the question of poor people in the world. We have taken up the cause of suppressed sections of the world. We have demonstrated that our voice is that of balance, tolerance, compassion, truth, and non-violence. Last month, we signed an agreement in Sri Lanka, an agreement that proved the righteousness of our policy, which demonstrated that the impact of our foreign policy is good and that India was moving on the right path. This is an important achievement in these 50 years. The latest agreement that we have reached and signed has brought peace and cooperation in Sri Lanka. This has strengthened the cause of peace and cooperation in the entire region. We have stalled the activities of those people who were endangering the security of the entire region. Otherwise, the race of power blocs could have reached this region, the neighborhood of India. This has strengthened the cause of non alignment. It has been proved that countries can solve their problems through dialogue without allowing the big powers or other sections or parties to come in. We have seen that when difficult. Today, on the 50th anniversary of our independence, we have to rededicate ourselves to those ideas and concepts. Our greatest achievement is the system given to us by our forefathers. We have seen that the system is in tune with our ancient traditions and our culture, which is continuing uninterrupted for thousands of years. We used that spirit in our struggle for freedom and should use it in building a new India. Today, our greatest attainment is our democracy, and we have to safeguard and consolidate it. Stop.